I have a string day equal to 2006-04-19 and created a local date day1 equal to localdate.parse the day. So in memory, I've drawn a visualization. The day1 variable is going to reference this local date object 2006-04-19. I've drawn an arrow to indicate the reference. I created another local date day2 and I used the values of year, month, day and a new method .of to create the local date. Day 2 is now referencing this new local date that also has the value 2006-04-19. And I've drawn the arrow to indicate the reference. I created local date day 3 and had it reference day 2. So you can see that the arrows are drawn to the same object for day 2 and day 3. The equal operator checks to see if the variables are referencing the same object. In this visualization, essentially what we're asking is, do these variables have arrows drawing to point to the same object? When we use the .equals method, we're checking to see if the content of the objects are the same. So when we do day 1 equal day 2, we're looking to see if day 1 and day 2 reference the same local date object, or essentially, do the arrows point to the same object? In this case, they do not, so this is going to evaluate to false. However, day1 equals day 2 looks to see if the content of these objects are the same. And since they're both storing 2006-04-19, day1 equals day 2 will evaluate to true. Day 2 equal day 3 is checking to see if day 2 and day 3 reference the same object. So we look at the arrows and they're being drawn to the same object, so this evaluates to true. Day 2 equals day 3 is also going to evaluate to true. Since we're comparing local date object to itself, it's going to obviously have the same value.